What's up everyone? I thought I'd pop out quickly to do 5 things I love about the C63 that you might not know about. They came to me as a bit of a surprise because I didn't know these things before I bought the car, and they've come in super handy. So I thought I'd share them with you. Here we go. It's the tailgate kick, so if I just kick under like that, nothing happens. There's that feature number 1. Jesus Christ, what? Attempt number 2. We kick, and that's what's supposed to happen. Yep, so the tailgate opens. Now this feature is super handy. I've come out of shops with all my hands sort of full of bags, and coming to close it and open it, you can also close it like that, is super handy. Massive number 1. Feature number 2 that I really like applies to the key, and I'm going to talk about 2 features in one, kind of, because it's all to do with the key. You can program the key to unlock the driver's door only, but keep the rest of the doors and boot locked. If you hold and press the lock and unlock button at the same time, you need to wait for a red little light on the key to flash twice. Okay, I think it flashed, I didn't see. But now what happens is if you unlock the car, this door opens, this door doesn't. It's only been 2 steps and they both failed. Let me try that again. Holding, waiting for the 2 flashes. 1, 2, and it flashed. So now, if I unlock it, there we go. Open the driver's door, that opens. This door, however, does not. The same applies to the rest of the car. The boot stays locked. The filler cap, however, stays open. So that's a convenient feature. Feature number 2 with the key is also a security measure. What you can do is when you lock your Mercedes, you click the locking button twice very quickly. And now in theory, the keyless go doesn't work. So normally if I put my hand here on the handle, it would unlock the door, but it doesn't. So that's a way to disable keyless go. Now, the next 3 features that I want to discuss are actually to do with inside the car. So let me just start it up. Feature number 3 is to do with the speakers. Now, this is maybe specific to my car because I have the top audio system. So basically what you do is if you go to media section, you go to options here. And then if you go to volume, click on that, and then you go to boost. Now this significantly improves the quality, volume, bass, just basically everything. Gives you that extra boost if it's not loud enough for you at max on standard. I'm probably deaf, but let's just say I like loud music. So now feature number 4 is hold. This is a feature everybody probably knows. So if you're driving, and if I stop at a traffic light, let's say, what you want to do is press the brake really hard, all the way in, and this logo will pop up here. It'll say hold, just down there. Now I can let go, even though I'm in drive, as you can see. The car won't move, it'll still apply the brake. Even though I'm not touching the brake, the car is fully using all 4 brakes. Awesome feature at the traffic lights. Apply the brake, push it hard, and you don't need to worry about holding the brake. Feature number 5 is fuel economy. Now, this feature is called gliding mode. Now, you need to be holding the accelerator for about 2 or 3 seconds, and the car will go into glide mode. You will see the RPM drop to idle, basically. It'll go into neutral, effectively. And you can really feel the car going into neutral. It just glides, saving you a little bit of fuel. I use this feature quite a lot. It definitely helps with fuel economy. I've actually managed to get 37 miles per gallon out of this car, which is mad. So yeah, this car is actually pretty impressive on fuel if you treat it very calmly. So, there are the 5 features that I've been enjoying so far. They're very small and particular. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Please do follow along, subscribe, and do all that if you enjoy it so far. I will be doing a few more videos like this.
Our friendship ceases from now on. Please don't talk about